stole what?
And stole the above property. Totally. Okay, he was a Hispanic male, white male?
He was a white man.
What's in that bag? Nothing. Nothing's in that bag?
No, nothing.
I got your bag.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? They got you there. Okay.
Stop resisting, sir.
You're not doing a hot job.
Incident date unknown. Location large retail venue jurisdiction presumed Florida, United States. A retail employee reported the theft of approximately $950 in merchandise. Officers located and arrested the suspect within the same venue following a physical confrontation.
How he looks like, so you guys can help us look
You know
for
where he
him?
went?
That's what we're going around.
Right. What does that shirt say? What does that shirt say?
I don't know.
582-109. Confirm me tonight, hotel on the 16th.
You know what that shirt says?
No, I don't know what it
Can
says.
you bring it back and open it, make it wider? If you go back when he walks in. Hey, can you
I'm taking 201.
Can you stop that?
Yeah, 10-4, we're going to make it 281. 281.
All right, stop it.
281. Thank you.
It doesn't look clear.
What does that say there? On this guy's shirt. Try to make it go again, maybe get another shot at a different angle. Are you guys the one to press charges? We catch him?
We don't.
Okay.
He stole almost $1,000
Okay.
from us.
286 go down. And where do you walk over this way?
Yeah, he went like this way.
286.
Around, Steven.
Yeah, Brooks on the play. It's Bobby from Dallas 256 Sierra. It's a light skin now. He's pushing a small roller bag that's white with a bunch of different colors. He's got a blue shirt with green lettering on it, and he's got gray shorts and black sneakers. He was headed towards the atrium.
Copy is 56 Sierra from where?
The Brookstone store. And they want to press charges.
Copy a white male, blue shirt, gray shorts, pushing a cart with
No, he's got a roller bag that's white with different colors on it.
Copy a roller bag with multicolors.
Yeah, he was last headed towards the atrium a couple minutes ago.
10-4. Any units in the area of the atrium?
I'm here now. You got a hat on or anything like that?
Yeah, he has a hat on.
Dude, he doesn't look like he's got a dark colored baseball cap on, and he's clean shaven. And what do you do? Put him in the pocket or put him in his bag?
He put one in his pocket, the other one he put it on the other pocket, and then he went around.
Did you ever see him once he left the store?
No, I was actually on break.
Oh, okay.
So when I came back, that's when I noticed I was missing a few things. Then I told my co-worker.
All right.
So then he stole that, and then he went here and stole more stuff. But she was busy.
286. Looking at the tape, this happened approximately 11:50, so about a half hour ago.
Have you advising time lapse of about 30 minutes?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
10-4.
it doesn't look clear, whatever it says on the shirt.
Yeah. So I'll look around. This is about a half hour ago. I'll look around. I'll go down by the bus stop and stuff. Are you going to be in the store?
Yeah.
I'll come back to the store and I'll make the report for you.
All right, thank you so
No problems.
much.
See you, stay with.
He's gonna bring the papers. We can do a report. Okay.
I just fill out. I just need to fill out the statement. Basically, what he took and how much everything was worth.
Yeah.
And if she could send the video to that address.
Yeah, I'm gonna
email
send
address. All right, and I'll be
Because I
back.
got it. Okay.
I'll be back about 5 minutes from the office to get the paperwork for you. Right, man?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. Just whatever he stole,
Yeah, how much it was.
separately or the total? Because I'm
No,
trying
each one
to break it down.
separately.
Yeah.
Yeah, each one separately.
That's all he stole.
All right, so the mail came in the store, took above property.
No, yeah, I got here at 6. Entro a las 6.
And stole what?
And stole the above property, totaling whatever kind of was it, 440, 330, and 199.
It was $950.
All right, totaling $950.
Oh, $970.
All right, and nobody gave him permission, I thought, to take the above described property. Okay, and he was a Hispanic male, white male?
He was a white man. Oh, you're not gonna believe it. I just see him. He's in Oakley right now. He's in Oakley. He's in Oakley right now. Go get him.
Hold on to that. $286.
286.
Yeah, I'm 1012 the guy in the Oakley stuff.
286, 10-9?
Do you have any ID?
Huh? Not on me, no.
What are you doing around here?
I'm waiting on a person to come in.
What person to come in?
I think he said he
Ecuador.
said 12.
From Ecuador? What's in that bag?
Nothing.
Nothing's in that bag?
No, nothing.
I got you on video taking stuff from that store. I'll push away from me. I'll push away from me.
I mean, we're around to you.
Put your hand on your back.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? They got you there.
I don't have nothing.
I'm not the guy.
I don't have anything.
You got more than a hot problem.
I don't have anything.
86
I don't have anything.
Stop resisting, sir.
Jesus.
Jay, Dina, from over there.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Turn it.
You got him, Ivan? Yep.
Yes.
Hold on a second.
Not resisting.
Put him on the ground. Put him on the ground. Sir, you're going to get on the ground. You're going to do it now.
Hold on.
Go face first. Go face down. Put your hand behind your back. Do it now. Put your hand behind.
Resisting.
Put your,
my heart.
put your hand behind your back.
Hurt my back.
Put your hand behind your back. There you go, sir.
You just broke a rib.
You got it, Ivan?
You just broke a rib in my chest.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did.
Just stop resisting, sir.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
Oh,
There you go.
Where's your other bag?
One
I
male,
don't have a
1050.
bag.
All right, go get a car.
I hate. Oh my!
Is there anyone close with a car? Stop resisting. We're gonna put you. We're gonna put you on your side.
You just hurt my ribs.
Sit
You did right. Hit my ribs.
Just,
289, 10-9?
What?
we need someone with a car.
Ivan went to go get one.
Can anybody copy 289?
Can I stand up?
No.
Ivan went to go get it. We got it.
Units on the 56 unit check.
What's that for? This should probably take from the thing. Where's the other stuff? Where's your other bag that you got?
Hey, those units bring out to 38 curbside. My car, cage car stays here.
Where are you in front of?
PR line,
Why'd you
38
fight?
curbside. Back in here.
Why'd you fight me, bro?
Immediately.
Fight you, sir. I didn't.
Yes, you did. You tried to get away from me.
Ivan, sorry. What airline?
That's not true.
The car is going to be the 50-yard line.
Yeah, she's
It's right outside the 50-yard
I
line.
didn't scare you. You ran away from me because you're stealing stuff.
Run away from me.
Stand up.
Just tell us when you're there, Ivan.
Stand up. Put your leg in.
Go down 289. If you just come out of the Oakley store, go down the hallway towards the inside of the car. Should be right out there.
Oh, yeah.
Got no ID, no nothing on it, right?
Hey, it's right there. So, right there. The car is? Yeah.
No, thanks for the idea. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that was the only idea.
Really? Very insulting.
Yeah,
Hang on. Wait.
ID right here.
Hang on.
You got him, Jim?
Yeah, I got him, sorry.
Is this his bag?
No, that's what he brought in there, but it's like stolen from business.
Is that his bag or a bag? No, we're missing the other bag.
Did Oakley have any complaints about anything?
Honestly, we didn't even ask.
Brand new.
We'll take him back.
Let me take him back over there and see. This is this stuff there. Yeah.
Are you in the Marines, man?
Yes.
Put your butt down first, slide in.
Under Florida Statute Section 812, 0142C1, theft of property valued at $300 or more constitutes grand theft in the third degree, a felony offense carrying a maximum sentence of 5 years imprisonment. The value here exceeded that threshold by more than 3 times. Under Illinois v. Gates 462 U.S. 2131983, probable cause is assessed through a totality of circumstances. An identified eyewitness corroborated by on-scene surveillance footage and itemized property documentation satisfies this constitutional standard with significant margin. Under United States v. Watson 423 U.S. 4111976, officers may conduct a warrantless public arrest for a felony offense when probable cause exists. No warrant is required once the constitutional threshold is met in a public setting. Under Graham v. Connor 490 U.S. 3861989, the reasonableness of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, not in hindsight. 3 factors govern the severity of the underlying crime: whether the subject poses an immediate threat and whether the subject is actively resisting or evading. Applied here, the offense is a third-degree felony. The subject verbally announced intent to use physical force. The subject then physically resisted arrest. All 3 Graham factors support the use of hard, empty hand control. An injury sustained during proportionate force does not establish a constitutional violation. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence requires only that the subject knowingly obstruct or oppose the officer in the execution of a legal duty. A single physical pull-away during a lawful detention attempt satisfies the elements of this statute. Under Chimel v. California 395 U.S. 7521969 and United States v. Robinson 414 U.S. 2181973, a lawful arrest authorizes a full search of the person and their immediate effects. Evidence discovered during that search is independently admissible and rests on the legality of the underlying arrest. Under Tokfura U.S.C. Section 1983, failure to arrange medical evaluation for a subject who reports injury during arrest exposes the department to federal civil rights liability, even where the underlying force was constitutionally justified. Injury complaints must be documented and evaluated regardless of their perceived credibility. Lessons learned. Officers must maintain a reactionary gap when approaching a probable cause felony suspect. Every injury complaint must trigger documented medical protocol. A verbal threat of physical force toward an officer constitutes active resistance and justifies immediate escalation on the use of force continuum. For the subject, exercising the right to remain silent from first contact is the legally sound choice. Denial in the face of surveillance, evidence verbal threats toward an officer, and physical resistance each constitute independent criminal exposure compounding the original offense.